We do have the confidence now to die cut and perf in one pass. And some business that we had, that we tried on other pieces of equipment, we weren't as successful. We had to do it in two passes. With the Spectrum, we've been able to bring that business back in and do it in one pass again. Well, we have three 6000s, and we have a digital-only facility as far as 10,000 square feet dedicated to just that. We are in line with the 6000. It has a web guide, it has a line guide. We have a flexo unit station. We have a UV station. We have a corona treater. We also have a dryer. We have lamination capabilities. We have a flexible die station as well as an engraved station. We were able to turn these stations on and off depending on whatever we're running, whether it's we're seaming on a shrink sleeve application and we're going to do a post varnish and a slit, or we're doing a spot varnish and a UV and a die cut. We also perf inline as well. In doing so, you're eliminating steps. We ran a job just recently the other day that we would normally have to prime something, we would have to then print it, and then we would have to die cut it. We now, with the addition of the ILP, the Inline Primer that we just installed, we're able to run all three of those steps in one pass. And anytime you can eliminate a step, which the Delta Spectrum is allowing us to do, running in line, is clearly an advantage. We found that being able to run through the Inline Primer, the 6000, and then the Delta all in one pass has been a significant difference. We can also separate the tandem side of it and run as independents. That's one of the reasons that we looked at purchasing this equipment, because the ability to run as a standalone unit was also a tremendous value on our side. One of the great things it does for our business is it gives our sales team a competitive advantage in being able to go after a larger market, and not just the 3,000 foot order. For example, the run that when I left the facility was a 200,000 foot run, and was running over several days long, and the Delta being in line with the 6000 has gave us that ability to be competitive with that. We have our least experienced Indigo operator running the Spectrum 2 in line. He's been running the HP for 11 months, as well as the Spectrum 2. Very, very easy to train and understand the technology side of it, and touching on the support side of it, tremendous help. When you call Delta, you actually get someone on the phone that can help you, an engineer that's, you don't get an answering machine. If they're not at their desk, they'll find them for you. That's been a very huge advantage that we were looking for when we purchased the machine from Delta.